Hello class. So I hope you all are good and fine. So today we discuss about Olympic value education unit 2. So in Olympic value education now our first topic is Paralympic games. Okay? What is our first topic is Paralympic games. So in Paralympic games are a major international multi-sports event for the athlete with various disability such as athlete with mobility disabilities. Okay, so means कि पैरालंपिक गेम्स जो बेसिकली डिसेबल टाइप्स के पर्सन्स होते हैं उनके लिए किया जाता है. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक जो डिजीज होते हैं जस्ट लाइक एम्पुटेशन, ब्लाइंडनेस एंड cerebral palsy. Okay, what is the disability are amputation, blindness and cerebral palsy. And Paralympic games are held at a interval of every 4 years. Following the Olympic game, these games are governed by the IPC, means International Paralympic Committee. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. The Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic Games, which were held in Seoul. This Summer Paralympic Games, the first winter program game, were held in 1976 in Sweden. The winter program Paralympic game are also held after every 4 years. Okay class, so basically जो पैरा ओलंपिक गेम्स होते हैं हमारे वो डिसेबल्ड लोगों के लिए किया जाता है. जस्ट लाइक जैसे हमारा नॉर्मल ओलंपिक होता है उसमें नॉर्मल पीपल और कोई किसी भी डिफरेंट टाइप के कोई डाउट से या उन पर कोई डिसेबिलिटीज नहीं होती वो उनके लिए होता है. पर ये स्पेशल ओलंपिक होता है जो बेसिकली फिजिकली रूप से डिसेबल्ड होते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ब्लाइंडनेस, पैरों में कुछ उनके प्रॉब्लम होना, अदर थिंग जो अदर डिसेबिलिटीज होती हैं उस टाइप के लोगों के लिए ये पैरालंपिक किया जाता है. सो क्लास इन पैरालंपिक गेम्स. सो पैरालंपिक गेम्स इज अ मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट फॉर एथलीट विथ वेरियस डिसेबिलिटीज सच एज एथलीट विथ मोबिलिटी डिसेबिलिटीज. ओके, सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पैरालंपिक गेम. Okay, one example of the disabilities now this and Paralympic game held at interval of every 4 years. Okay, so which time was held in Paralympic game? After every 4 years. Okay, means कि just like your normal Olympic game was also now कि 4 साल के बाद होता है तो वैसे ही ये भी 4 साल के बाद ही होता है. Okay, these games are governed by the IPC. So इसका ये एसोसिएशन ऑफ कमेटी है, so वो है इंटरनेशनल पैरालंपिक कमेटी. ओके, so thus the first Paralympic game were held in Rome in 1960. So your first Paralympic game were held in Rome 1960. This is an important class. Okay. The Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic. Okay, the first officially used the Paralympic game word is Summer Olympic. Okay, which were held in Seoul. Okay class, तो फर्स्ट ऑफिशियली पैरालंपिक वर्ड का यूज किया गया था वो समर ओलंपिक में 1988 में जो सियोल में हुआ था. ओके, सो दिस समर पैरालंपिक गेम्स, द फर्स्ट विंटर पैरालंपिक गेम वर हेल्ड इन 1976. ओके क्लास, फर्स्ट जो हमारा फर्स्ट पैरालंपिक गेम्स हुए थे वो हुए थे हमारे 1976 इन स्वीडन. मीन्स स्वीडन में 1976 में हमारा फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम हुआ था, पैरालंपिक गेम हुआ था. ओके, also now the winter Paralympic games held after every 4 years. means summer winter दोनों टाइप्स के जो ओलंपिक्स होते हैं वो आफ्टर 4 ईयर ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं। ओके क्लास, so again I repeat this Paralympic game. Paralympic games are a major international multi-sports event for the athlete with various disabilities such as athlete with mobility disability. So first disability is amputation, blindness and cerebral palsy. So Paralympic games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic games. Okay, मीन्स कि जो हमारे ओलंपिक गेम होते हैं उसके आफ्टर पैरा ओलंपिक गेम्स होते हैं। दिस गेम आर गवर्नेड बाय द आईपीसी। सो दिस गेम आर गवर्नेड बाय मीन्स उनकी एसोसिएशन कमेटी जो होती है वो है आईपीसी, मीन्स इंटरनेशनल पैरा ओलंपिक कमेटी। द फर्स्ट पैरा ओलंपिक गेम वर हेल्ड इन रोम इन 1960. The Paralympic word was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic Games, which were held in Seoul. These Summer Paralympic Games, the first Winter Paralympic Games, were held in 1976 in Sweden. The Winter Paralympic Games are also held after every 4 years. Okay, class. So this is all about to your Paralympic games. I hope you all understand about the Paralympic game. So class, let's move the events of Paralympic. What is the event are doing in Paralympic games? Okay class. So in Paralympic games we are discussing about the events. So first number is opening ceremony. Okay, so first we now discuss after normal Olympic games. In Paralympic games are same events are doing just like flag hosting, speech or oath or flame, other things just others normal Olympic events are doing. Then now in Paralympic games the same events are now doing. Okay, so second point is awards. So basically award system are the same of the Paralympic games and Olympic games. So first one is gold, second is silver and third one is bronze. And first gold medal is going to first number and winner, and second was the runner up, and bronze medal going to third place. Okay class. So class, now we discuss about Paralympic games event. So first event is opening ceremony, second is awards, and third is closing ceremony. So class, in first opening ceremony many events are doing just like athletic parade, oath, firing the torch or president speech and taking players on and announce the Paralympic games are started. Okay class. So second point is awards. In awards, you know, every Olympic and Paralympic giving a 3 types of award. Means first is gold, second is silver and third is bronze. So first is for आपका winner के लिए silver medal is for runner up and bronze medal is who taking the third place. Okay class. And third point is, so class, our third number is closing ceremony. So in closing ceremony events are first is athletic parade or president or other guest speech, and also presenting the artist performance just like singing, dancing and history of culture events just like. Okay, and now announce the next Paralympic games will held. Okay, so now we discuss about Paralympic motto. So Paralympic motto is spirit in motion. What is the motto of Paralympic games? Spirit in motion. Okay, this is important for student. Okay, so is the Paralympic motto. It was started in 2004. Okay, when he was started to 2004. Okay, Athens Paralympic Games. Okay, in Athens Paralympic Games. Prior to this Olympics, the motto of Paralympic was mind, body and spirit. Means कि स्पिरिट इन मोशन से पहले जो पैरालंपिक गेम्स का मोटो था वो था माइंड, बॉडी एंड स्पिरिट. ओके, सो नाउ दिस वाज चेंज इन दिस. ओके, जो अब हमारा पैरालंपिक मोटो है स्पिरिट इन मोशंस. ओके, so this is a Paralympic motto. So I hope you all understand what is the Paralympic motto. So let's move next one. Okay class, so now discuss about International Paralympic Committee. Okay class, so it is a global governing body of the Paralympic movements. Okay, means Olympic games का जो main कमेटी या सेशन कह सकते हो उसे ये इंटरनेशनल पैरालंपिक गेम्स कमेटी है. ओके, द आईपीसी ऑर्गेनाइज द समर एंड विंटर पैरालंपिक्स गेम्स. ओके, आईपीसी मींस पैरालंपिक कमेटी. ओके, सो द आईपीसी और इंटरनेशनल पैरालंपिक गेम्स ऑर्गेनाइज ऑल पैरालंपिक इवेंट्स जस्ट लाइक विंटर एंड समर. ओके, it also served as the International Federation for Night Sports, for which is supervise and coordinate the World Championship and other competition. Okay class, so also the International Paralympic Committee for the night sports means कि सब यह काम कर उस चीज पे वर्क करती है कि जो इंटरनेशनल फेडरेशन फॉर नाइट स्पोर्ट्स फॉर विच supervise and coordinates the world championship and other competitions. Okay class, its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire the excite the world. Okay, what is the main vision of International Paralympic Committee is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve supporting excellence and inspire the excite the world. Okay class, it was established in Düsseldorf on 22 September 1989. Okay class, so which year he was established? So 22 September 1989. Okay, and Düsseldorf. Its headquarter in Bonn, जर्मनी. ओके क्लास, इसका जो हेडक्वार्टर है वो कहाँ है? बोन में, जो जर्मनी में है. एंड इट्स मेन एम टू डेवलप स्पोर्ट्स अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल द पीपल विथ एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर द बिगिनर्स टू द एलाइट लेवल. ओके, सो बेसिकली जो पैरालंपिक्स का ऑब्जेक्टिव है, मेन एम है, वो है to develop sports opportunities for all. Okay, the people with requirement from the beginner to the elite level means कि beginner से लेके प्रोफेशनल लेवल तक के लोगों को प्रमोट करना और उनको जो पैरालंपिक्स से में जो डिसेबल लोग हैं उनको इसके लिए प्रोत्साहित करना टाइप में वर्क करती है. ओके, तो मेन उसका एम भी यही है. ओके, so class, this is the International Paralympic Games. So I hope you all understand about the Paralympic Games, which year was held and where is the headquarter and what is the main aim. Okay class, so let's move next point. Okay class, so now we discuss about International Olympic Committee. Okay, so in International Olympic Committee, the IOC means International Olympic Committee is the governing body of the modern Olympic Games. Okay, what is the IOC is the governing body of the modern Olympic Games. Okay, games. It is committed to support and promote participants in sports throughout the world. The IOC has its headquarters in Lausanne, Switzerland. Okay, where is the IOC headquarters? Lausanne, Switzerland. Okay, it was created by Harry Baron de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. Okay, Greek Revolution Nicholas was its first president. Okay, who was the first president of the Olympic IOC? So Greek Demetrios Nicholas was first president. Its membership consists of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. Okay, class. So the main members of IOC is just like in IOC members, first of the president, second is vice president, and third is executive boards. Okay, class. So these are main members in IOC. First is president, second is vice president, and third is executive board. Means executive board में other person just like other work, many type के वर्क करने वाले लोग आ जाते हैं. ओके, सो अगेन आई रिपीट द इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमिटीज. द IOC is a governing body of the modern Olympic Games. It is committed to support and promote participants in sports throughout the world. The IOC has its headquarters in Lausanne, Switzerland. Okay, it is created by Pierre Baron de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. Greek Demetrius Nicholas was its first president. Its membership consists of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. Okay, in IOC member, first president, second vice president, and third is executive board members. Okay, class. So this is all. This is definition of and about for International Olympic Games. So let's move next point. Okay, class. So now we're talking about Indian Olympic Association. Okay, what is the next point is Indian Olympic Association. Okay, so IOA was established in 1927. Okay, which year was IOA was established in 1927. Okay, so Sir Dorabji Jamshed Tata and Dr. Noren become the first founder, president, and secretary general of Indian Olympic Association. Okay, so first founder, president, and secretary general. So first Sir Dorabji Jamshed Tata and Dr. Noren, okay, become the first president and general secretary, okay, of Indian Olympic Association, and IO is affiliated to the IOC. Okay, so this is all about the Indian Olympic Association. So now we talk about the what is the main function and what is the main aim to Indian Olympic Association. Okay, class. Okay, class. So now we discuss about aims and objective to Indian Olympic Association. Okay, so first aim and objective is develop and promotion of the Olympic movements. Okay, second point is enforcement of all rules and regulations of the IOC and IOA. Okay, so class, IOC means International Olympic Committee and IOA means Indian Olympic Association. Okay, I have, ठीक है. So third point is promotion and encouragement of the physical, moral, and cultural education of the young people of the nation, so that their character can be developed. Okay, class. So number 4 is to take a disciplinary action against any federation of misbehaviors or any other undescribable activity bring discredit to the country. So class, our point number 5 is to enforce and defend the exclusive rights of the association to use the Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. Okay, class. So this is the aims and objective of Indian Olympic Association. Okay, class. again I repeat this all points. So first number is development and promotion of the Olympic movement. Second is enforcement of all rules and regulations of the IOC and IOA. Okay, IOC means International Olympic Committee and IOA means Indian Olympic Association. And so third number is promotion and encouragement of the physical, moral and cultural education of the young people of the nation so that their character can be developed. Number 4 is to take disciplinary action against the federation for misbehavior or any other undescribable activity bring discredit to the country. Okay. So number 5 is to enforce the and defend the exclusive rights of the association to use the Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. Okay. So class, this is all about the aims and objective of Indian Olympic Association. So I hope you all understand today all topic, all points. So class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.